What is going on, guys? Thank you for tuning into this video. It's your boy Dan back again. I changed my hair again. I'm actually taking these out soon, but I changed my hair again. Every time I come back from not posting videos, I always change the way my hair looks. But that's not what we're here for today. I'm here to show you guys the delivery of my coilovers for my IS300. I finally got a set of coilovers for my IS300, and I actually just got the car back from my mechanic. Because believe it or not, my harmonic balancer actually fell off of my motor while driving. I wasn't driving it. It fell off while I was picking it up because I originally got an alignment for it. They're bringing it back up to me, and it just fell off right there. I'll show you guys a picture of it right here. So yeah, as you can see right there, it's just my harmonic balancer. There's supposed to be a bearing in the middle of it, and the bearing was still attached to the motor, but that part, the circle that the belt goes onto, that's the part that came off. So that's why my car has been away for a little bit. But you guys will know because your boy don't vlog, but I'm trying to make time to vlog for you guys again, because I really like doing this, and I hate leaving and coming back, and it's just doesn't make any sense. So I also got some tires I have to put on today, so we got some stuff to do for the IS300 today. So right here we have new tires. Had them now for about 5 days. Haven't put them on yet, but I plan on putting them on today. And then right next to them, there are the coils, which I'll show you guys in a minute out in the sunlight, so you guys get a better glimpse of how they look. Alright, so right here, as you can see, this is the new coilover I got. It is made by CX Racing. Pretty lit, pretty happy. Their price is pretty good. It seems like very good quality. I just have to see how it feels when I put it on. But I've already seen like a bunch of good stuff. I've talked about these coilovers for the IS300, so I feel like I won't be disappointed, especially for the price I got them for. These are built pretty well. I like the way they feel. They got some weight to them too, so we'll see when I put them on. They're pretty nice. 32 step dampening on the top, a little knob that focuses. Well, yeah, you get what I'm saying. And also fully adjustable, and just the ride height and all that stuff. So I'm pretty happy with these. I just gotta see how they feel in the car, and I'm pretty sure I won't be disappointed at all. Oh yeah, look at the baby girl. Woo. Still stock though, sadly. So, about to get these tires in right now, and then head out. Probably gonna go like to Walmart first, and then hit up a tire shop somewhere that could just put these tires on for me. And if I sound weird, it's because I'm sick, and I also got a tooth pulled out yesterday. So if I sound a little weird, it's just this early in the video, but I'm sorry for that. I'm just taking L's. Just been taking L's like for the past few days. So yeah, let's get these tires in the car. Alright, got the new tires in. About to go to Walmart real quick and then just see what tire shop I guess could put these tires on for me, cause your boy can't do that here at home, sadly. But let's go see. Hopefully they don't wax just to put some tires on the rim, cause I've done that before, but Not no more, boy. Yo, Florida be bussin', boy. This heat is killer, I swear. This shit. I mean, this heat is killing. But yeah, I'm just gonna be on the way to Walmart now, and then I need to hurry up because this is terrible. Florida rains all week, 1 week, and then just straight hot. We made it, boys. I'm about to pop in, pop back out real quick. Let's just pick us up and then we off to the tire place. Just some good 8.6 love. That thing pretty clean. Hold up. Let's see if I can get that for you guys. Has some wheels on there. Damn, that's clean. Yeah guys, so right now I'm actually at Tire Kingdom. Cheapest place I could find near me that will put these tires on. Still costs quite a bit, but it's whatever. I'm still getting them on, which is all that matters. But yeah, right now I'm getting these tires put on, and then I'm gonna go back home and show you guys what it looks like. So I'll see you guys at my house with the new meats on, because my old meats, they weren't meaty enough anymore, so I got some new meats on. So I'll see you guys back at the house. Alright, so finally made it home. About to show you guys the new tires. Ain't nothing too special about them, just tires to help get around. Plus I needed some tires really bad anyways, so yeah, these are the tires I got. They are Century tires. I don't know if you can see that, but Century tires. Look at all the meat on these, boy. Trust me, because before that, my other tires are just bald, like really bad and bald. So I'm pretty glad I got a set of 4 tires for not that much either. I picked up this set for 200 bucks, not bad. But yeah guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. The next video will probably be installing the coilovers now that I finally got them. I got some tires on, alignment. I changed a bunch of stuff, obviously off camera because I haven't been filming. But yeah, next video should be the coilover install. If not, then it'll be the video after that. But we'll see what happens. All I know is these coilovers are getting installed because I am going to Palm Beach International Raceway with me and a couple friends. We're gonna go race each other up there. So I really want these coilovers on before I go. So we'll see what happens. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram at Dan_Lex to keep updated with anything that I'm doing to my car, because I like to post on my story there. And that's about it guys, so I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.